Okay, so guys, I'm here at Elk Creek Fishing. Oh, here comes a train. There it is. Let me get over here so I don't so if it derails, I won't get hit by it. Here, oh, it's not the same train I've seen before. Here it is. Yeah, it's kind of loud. Forgot to mention. Well, I love watching trains go by. Hope I can get this film before more ads pop up on here. Ads like to pop up a lot on here. I love this train. I think this should be the end here soon. Yeah, over there's some people kicking up dust. I don't know if that's a train doing that or what. I don't know. Yeah. There was the end. There was the end of the train. Let's go up here and watch it. I think the railroad tracks are making that noise. You can hear that? You heard that little noise? Yeah, there it is, right out there, going over the tracks I'll go to get to my house. I think I see the railroad crossing light flashing, like right out there. No, I don't know if you guys could see it. I don't know how to zoom in on here. Yeah, I don't know. I hear the train going by now. So I hope you guys liked it. That was really cool. I've been meaning to show you guys that for a while, but I haven't been able to come out here for a while. Yeah, hunting season has started. Alright, so if you want to see more about trains, then just let me know, and I will try to have some more videos up for you guys. There's a train came over here before. It was not a CSX. It was a BRNS, I think. I can't remember. I know it was like BR or something. No, it said BR. BRNS. I don't know. I can't remember. That was at like 5:17. It was like 5:50 something. I don't know. Yeah. So thanks for watching, and please comment, rate, and subscribe. And I will see you next time, YouTube. Until next time, Christian Childers out.